Now, let's talk about labels. It is simple. In the Label tab, if you just drag and drop one of these buttons, it will change the label of the button, like these. This empty label, if you drag and drop this button, it will simply remove the label. I'll put this guy on, and now if you look at these yellow colored buttons, if I drag and drop one of these buttons, it will not change the label, but it will change the font, such as this, and this, and this. If you want your own custom label, here you can type in like this, and then drag and drop. In the previous video, we have talked about remote window. So if I bring that up, right click on it, the last command, edit this button, it will bring up my remote window. In here, you can also change the label like this. And if you drag this slider, it will change through different font styles. If you like to have icon overlay, first of all, you need to have an icon. So I can either choose this. It will give me the label plus icon overlay. I'm going to choose an icon here. Choose that. I'm going to scale up like this. Now the icon is on the left-hand side, the label is on the right-hand side. If I type in the icon label overlay, just like other shelf buttons, you can only type in 4 to 5 characters in it. You can change the color of the label, say this. Then you can change the background, or you can change the alpha channel, opacity. You can change the background color. You can also choose different style. In this style, icon goes above the label. Once you're happy with that, you can click on Save, close out. Now, let's talk about mouse interaction. Using middle mouse button, we can move around the button like this. We already know that. If I hold down Control, and if I drag one of the edge like this, and if I let go, it will scale the button. In other words, it will stretch out. But if I drag the corner of the button, it will scale in diagonally. Same thing, hold down Control key using middle mouse button. If I drag the edge inward, it will scale down the button. If I hold Shift button and drag it out and let go, it will duplicate it. And in case of select buttons, just like you would do in Outliners, in Outliner when you select them, you can click those to select each one of these. If you hold down Shift key and select, it will add select. If you hold down Control and click, it will toggle select. In any click, it works exactly the same way. So if I click one of these buttons, it will select each one of these. If I hold down Shift button, it will add select. If I hold down Control key, it will toggle select.